There is a special kind of frustration when you turn your key, expecting the engine to roar to life, and instead, it either stalls immediately or idles so roughly you think it is going to shake apart. You check the computer and find code P063E. This is the auto configuration throttle input not present code. It sounds incredibly technical, but think of it this way. When you turn your ignition to the on position, your car's computer, the PCM, wakes up and does a quick stretch and a self-check. It needs to know exactly where the throttle plate is positioned before it can safely start the engine. It relies on the throttle position sensor, or TPS, to say, "Hey, I am right here." If the computer wakes up and does not hear back from the throttle sensor, it sets this code. It is essentially a communication breakdown during the startup sequence. This is critical because most modern cars are drive-by-wire. There is no physical cable connecting your foot to the engine. It's all electronic signals. If you're dealing with this, you probably have some serious drivability issues, like delayed starts or stalling. The first thing you need to do is check if you have any other throttle-related codes. If you do, fix those first, as they are likely the root cause. If P063E is the only one, grab your digital volt-ohm meter. You're going to play detective with the wiring. Start at the throttle body. Inspect the connector for the throttle position sensor. Is it clicked in all the way? Is there green corrosion on the pins? A loose connection here is a very common cause. If the plug looks good, you need to test the signal. With the key on, but the engine off, back probe the signal wire. You should see about 0.5 volts when your foot is off the pedal. As you slowly press the gas pedal to the floor, that voltage should rise smoothly to about 4.5 volts. Watch your meter closely. If the numbers jump around erratically or drop to zero suddenly, you have found a dead spot in the sensor and it's time for a replacement. However, if you have zero voltage right from the start, you might have a break in the wire leading back to the computer. It's a tedious process, but tracing that voltage is the only way to know for sure if it is a bad sensor or a wiring nightmare.